So, we're going to try and get some printing done now. We found digital printers in Mallig, RMB, Digital Printing Services. So we're going to see if these guys can do anything to make some more of these shirts so we can give them away while we're here. Hi guys, so we're now at Hugo's shop in Mallig Central. Everybody's busy here, the girls are working. Say hi girls, you're on YouTube, UK-PINAY. Hi ma'am, hello, hello. Hi, hi vlogging. Over here.
Hello sir.
This is my cousin over here, security. Cousin. So hi. A big shout out today. So what we're doing today guys, we're buying some t-shirts, we're going to get them printed out, and we're going to have UK-PINAY t-shirts for a lot of different people here in Mallig. Everybody's going to be wearing the t-shirts. We have so many, babe. Whew. And it's getting warmer, so now we need to get the t-shirts printed. The girls are very buying. This is my cousin. He's also the son of Ascension's father's sister. Number kiss. Cousin Ascension. So Ascension at the moment, she's busy buying lots of t-shirts for the UK-PINAY printing upstairs from Hugo's shop in Mallig Central. It's very warm in here, but cousin has put on the air conditioning. We have more subscribers. The girls are all over there today.
They put the name already.
They're all wanting t-shirts. Everybody's wanting t-shirts today.
Every subscriber.
There we go. Hey!
Size. We want t-shirt too.
Ah, they're putting the name on the shirt, okay.
I said if you're not subscribed, no t-shirt for you.
Well, that's fair enough. But remember to save 3 for Mallig Brew.
Sir, mamaya tonight, ako... After lunch.
Uh-oh. Ay. I think that's the t-shirt sport, guys. Ascension spending the money. A shout out? Shout out? Anybody? Shout out! Thank you. Okay. So Salamat Hugo. Thank you. Bye. See you. Bye, cousin. Again, guys, back in England, back in the UK. These are hi. Hello. This is how the Filipinos are. Such beautiful people. So many kind people here in the Philippines. Right, now we'll have to go and get these t-shirts printed, because most of them are going back to the Hugo shop where they were bought from. So I'm back here at RMB Digital Printing. Mallig, Ruben. So there we are. Here's the email address. Here's a telephone number. This service is Ruben, the boss man. This is the good business. So Ruben is doing the YouTube t-shirts for us, for the channel. Exclusive. Thank you, sir. See you later. Whew. So that's the t-shirts bought. And we get them printed. So the girls at Mallig Brew, your t-shirts are coming maybe after Monday, okay? We gave you the word, we're doing it for you as well. So, well, Ascension and Manolin are here at the moment doing a nail and body expert spa on the top floor of the shopping centre in Mallig. I'm going to take a walk, have a look around the shopping centre and the market and see what's happening, guys. Whew. It's a busy day today. Everybody is wanting UK-PINAY t-shirts. It's so hot. I need to find my way down and onto the street. Mallig. A few shops here, and down here is the market. Plenty of things happening here. All very good. We have mechanics of bicycles, tricycles, scooters. Lots going on. We're going to look in the market, guys, and see what's happening here. So this place just here is the Mallig public transport terminal. You can get your tricycles here. If you've been to the market and you want to go home, you just come here, get yourself a tricycle, and that just takes you home. Whew. We have lots of manuk, live chicken. Hello manuk. Let's have a look in the market. We came here the other day to buy food. This is where we came with Nanay and Ascension. So, as usual, lots of nice fruit, plenty of food. It's quite a busy little market. We have the wet market over there with fish, manuk, baboy, and here some very, very nice fresh vegetable, guys. Let's have a look down this one. Lots of dried fish. Oh, very low. I have to duck down to get underneath. See ukay-ukay. This is the Ugo supermarket where we got the t-shirts from. Everything came from here. I want to sit on my bike for a little bit and chill out. Have a little 5-minute break while the girls are getting their nails finished. And sit down and have a cigarette. I parked the e-scooter around here somewhere. There she is. Here's my e-scooter. Well, it's actually belonging to Nanay now. But until I get the ADV 350, this is my transportation. You know, guys, I'm beginning to like it more and more here in the Philippines. Here in Mallig, people are so friendly. Everybody says hello. In the UK, you never get this. People will not speak much in the UK. But here in Mallig, people are so friendly. I can just sit here now, have a cigarette and just watch people. Just watch people in the market, going about their daily lives. It's quiet. I can hear a karaoke in the background. Somebody's having karaoke in Mallig Central this morning. Not sure what the time is, but I'll just wait now for Madeline and Ascension to finish having the nails finished. And then we'll go back to Nanay's house, I can crack open a nice cold red horse, and later we go to visit the family to pay respect for the cousin who very sadly passed away at a very, very early age. It's very sad, a very sad time for the family, guys. But today we've managed to get t-shirts, we've managed to get the printing sorted out, to make more friends, and to have some very, very nice coffee. Okay, cigarette break's over. Time to go for another walk. Over there, that's where we got the karaoke machine and the telephone for brother, for Ronnie. I know that the toilets are over there. Whew, so many tricycles, guys. I've never seen so many in one place. Carindera. What's here? Let's have a look here. This is the market. This is the market. So, coffee, dried fish, rice, the indoor market. Always music everywhere. Whew. Vinegar, soy sauce, noodles. Hello, Mom. More vegetables. The fish here is so fresh. It's okay, I'm just looking tilapia. That is so fresh, Mom. It's still alive. Very good. Still up. Bye. So much good fish. Hello, Mom. Oh yeah. Lots of meat. Fresh baboy, manuk. Hello, Mom.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Very fresh, very good meat. Hello, Mom. Try and make my way back to the girls. See what's going on. The calendaria. You can sit down and have something to eat.
Hi, Idol.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hi. And tricycles for hire. So many tricycles. Mallig is not a big place, but it's busy. There's lots going on, lots of markets, lots of people doing business. I like here. The local mechanics changing the tyres, spare parts, Salazar. Good morning, gent. Hi. Fixing the bikes, motorcycle mechanic. It's like new brakes, new tyres. Good morning. Good. Plenty of shops. Agricultural and poultry. A veterinary clinic. Variety store. Hi. I think this is the way back. Let's see how the girls are getting on. You know what? I knew if I came back here, Ascension said, I'm just having my nails done. No. She was caught red-handed, or red-footed in this case, having a pedicure as well. Ascension is having new nails, or new coating on the nails, because they are natural nails. Sister is having the feet done. Oh, relaxing in the chair, getting the feet done. Well, this is the nail spur. Yeah, the girls are very busy. Getting the MOT, getting the foot job done. Very skillful job. Pedicure.
Where have you been?
I just went around. I was just exploring. Mallig. Right, I've just been told that my brother-in-law Warren is having his hair done somewhere here. So we're going to surprise him. Oh my God. This place is full of baklava. Yeah. Back past the print centre again. R2R Beauty Salon. Maybe this is the one. Yes. Yes, I found him. Hello. Hi, Rich. Very nice. Hi. I found Warren. I'm just jealous because he's got hair and I haven't. So, yeah, I can watch and feel sad because I cannot get my hair done. Okay, a little bit later, and the girls are still having nails done. It's going to take about 1 hour. So, I'm going to go and look for socks. And I have really big feet, so it might be a little bit hard to find something in my size. So the girls are getting nails done. Brother-in-law is having the hair done. He's having some curls. Wow, so jealous. So that's the way it is. We'll find my way down. Maybe down here. We're going back to Ugo Supermarkets. Just here. This is where we got the shirts from earlier on. There is cousin again. Christmas special.
Yeah.
Okay. Free soap disc. Free calendar.
Oh.
Free bag. Very Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Yes, sir. Right, I need to find socks. Nice cold cola with some very good music. It's that watching the world go by. That's the one. Very good music. I'll drink this and then go and see how the girls are getting on. Whew. It's nice and warm. And finally, the girls got the nails done. Let's have a look at the nails, babe. Show me the nails. Ooh, pink, pink. Look. Oh, right, look. These posh feet. That's from the very nice girls here. Salamat, thank you.
Your bag go.
Uh-oh. Ascension's forgetting the bag already. So, here we go. Nail and body expert spa.
Put in there, my bag.
I got some sweets from a very nice lady when we had our dinner. which I'll show you at the moment. Turned into a very nice day. This is where I stayed for dinner with my brother Warren. So the Untold, a very nice restaurant. Ooh, we had burgers and fries, and guys, masa wrap burger. I was passing by again, and we got Warren still waiting with his hat for the perm to come off. I'll see you later, Warren. Bye. That's Warren, my brother-in-law, Mr. Police, with the curly hair. Back in Mallig Centre. Girls are doing a little bit more shopping, and then we're going to get back on the e-bike and go home. I don't know what they're buying. You know what they say, happy wife, happy life. I need to go and find my e-bike now. There we are, back with the trusty e-bike. Or Nanai's e-bike. I'll have the motorcycle next time we come. I'm going to say goodbye for now, guys. And to everybody we've met today, Salamat po, thank you so much. It was so nice to meet you all. Remember to subscribe and keep watching the blog. Keep watching the videos, guys. Salamat, bye bye now.